Welcome to VEENAASRI Tuitions, Electricity, CBSE and State. In this we discuss about one problem. So, question and given answer, circuit diagram. Now, if in a figure R1 is equals to 10 ohms, R2 is equals to 40 ohms, R3 is equal to 30 ohms, R4 is equal to 20 ohms, R5 is equal to 60 ohms, and a 12 volts battery is connected to the arrangement. Calculate the total resistance in the circuit. Calculate the total current flowing in the circuit. సో మనకి ఈ యొక్క సర్క్యూట్ డయాగ్రామ్లో R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 ఈజ్ గివెన్. 12 volts బ్యాటరీ కనెక్ట్ చేశాడు ఇక్కడ అమ్మీటర్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ స్విచ్, ఆన్ ఆఫ్ స్విచ్ కీ. So you observe the figure. So here you have these two R1 and R2 are parallel, and R3, R4, R5 are these three resistance are parallel. So R1, R2 parallel ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ R3, R4, R5 అనేటువంటి ప్యారలల్గా ఉన్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ వీటి యొక్క రెసిస్టెన్స్, టోటల్ ఈక్వలెంట్ రెసిస్టెన్స్, వీటి యొక్క ఈక్వలెంట్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాము. ఆ తర్వాత దిస్ R1 R2 ఈక్వల్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ R3, R4, R5 ఆర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ సిరీస్. సో ఫైనలీ యూ ఫైండ్ ద సిరీస్. సో యూ విల్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్, టోటల్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఇన్ ద సర్క్యూట్. సో మనం చేద్దాం. we do this. Now solution: R equivalent 1, 2 means these two resistances. So formula I am writing R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. So given R1 is equals to 10 ohms, I am substituting R1 and R2 values. 10 into 40 divided by 10 plus 40. 4 1 ja 4, 0 into 0 0 means 40 10 ja 400, or other 4 1 ja 4, 1 plus 1 2 zeros. You do like this also. 40 plus 10 50. So 0 0 cancel, 5 1 ja 5 8 ja, which is equals to 8. So R equivalent 1 2 is equals to 8 ohms. See here, R3, R4, R5, these three resistance are in parallel. So use the formula and find R by R equivalent 3 4 5, which is equals to 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. So you substitute the values. 1 by R3 30 ohms plus R4 20 ohms plus 1 by 60. So which is equals to, do LCM and simplify. 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 60. So 6 by 60, 6 1 ja 16 ja, 1 by R equivalent 3 4 5. R equivalent 3 4 5, which is equals to 10 ohms. So R equivalent 1 to R equivalent 3 4 5, these two resistance are in series. So therefore R series is equals to R series nothing but R total is equals to R equivalent 1 2 plus R equivalent 3 4 5. You substitute the values. 8 plus 10, 18 ohms. R total means total resistance is equals to 18 ohms. So total resistance 18 ohms you got. So connected, that resistance is connected to 12 volts battery. So next question, B question, current flowing in the circuit. So current flowing, I is equal to V by A. Capital I is equal to capital V by capital A. I is equal to V by R formula. Potential difference by resistance is equals to current. So substitute values V R. So given voltage 12 by 18. So 6 2 ja 6 3 ja. So 2 by 3 amps. So which is also equals to 0.67 amps. Total current flowing in the circuit is equals to 0.67 amps. So I will explain as a summary. So see here, two resistances R1 R2 are parallel. So R equivalent 1 2 is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Next, so R2 R3 R4 R5. So these three resistances are parallel, R3 R4 R5. So use formula R equivalent 3 4 5 is equals to 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. So next, so afterwards total resistance R total is equals to, so R equivalent 1 2 plus R equivalent 3 4 5. Use this formulas for A question. Next B question. So it is A total resistance in the circuit. For B question, I is equal to V by R. Capital I is equal to capital V by R. So total current flowing in the circuit is equals to V by R, potential difference by resistance. Use these formulas, so you will get the answer. Thank you.